Well, we're in the middle of October and it is officially teasing season as we transition into the winter months. Here in Utah, it's pretty crazy. We get some pretty roller coaster rides worth of weather as we transition towards winter. So, for example, this week we've dropped from the 70s down into the 40s, and we're getting into close to freezing temperatures at night, so sprinklers have been shut off and lines have been blown out for the year. And next week we'll be back up into the 60s. So it kind of gives you an idea of what we deal with every year. And it's pretty similar going into the spring as well. The weather just can't make up its mind what it wants to do. But today is going to be one of the last mows of the year for me. And I thought I would just share one more moment with all of you for 2021. Here we go. So I don't know about anybody else that has shortcut lawns, but for me, this stuff is like Velcro. Whenever we get high winds that come through here and bring the temperatures down, it gets super windy at times, and we get a bunch of debris stuck to the lawn, whether it's trash, leaves, parts of flowers, mulch. It all ends up all over the lawn. So I like to clear it off with the leaf blower before I get started, and then I can cherish the moment. Well, there we go. That was fun. Not my best work on the second pass to make the diamonds, but I'm not perfect, and I still enjoyed it, and I still think it looks pretty decent. So I'm gonna go throw some cool stripes in the backyard now, so that'll go ahead and wrap it up for this video. One of the last mows of the year. Sad times. Sprinklers are done. I think fertilizer's about done. I might put something on the putting green, but I am gonna work on the putting green here really soon with some kind of mower. We'll see. Stay tuned for that story. But that's gonna go ahead and wrap it up for this one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.